If you own a bunch of Pokémon cards, you are probably wondering if they could be worth a certain amount of money. Well, we've got good news for you because some Pokémon cards are worth a ton of money, and our secrets to find these cards will blow your mind. Keep watching because in this video, I will show you how to find out the value of your Pokémon cards. Get ready for an exciting two-part adventure in this video. In the first part, we'll dive into the thrill of uncovering your card's rarity and value. And in the second part, we'll guide you through pricing and selling strategies, and we will show how you can determine the exact value of your Pokémon card. You won't want to miss any of it, so be sure to stick around till the very end. Part 1. Value and Rarity of Pokémon Cards. The world of Pokémon cards is a captivating realm where collectors and enthusiasts eagerly pursue the dual treasures of value and rarity. These cards, adorned with beloved creatures from the Pokémon universe, hold an intrinsic worth that transcends their mere cardboard composition. The value of Pokémon cards can skyrocket based on factors such as scarcity, condition, and demand. Let's dive in. Number 1. First things first, let's talk about card rarity. Every Pokémon card holds a secret rarity that plays a significant role in determining its value. It's like the heartbeat of your card's worth. To unveil this secret, turn your attention to the bottom of the card, right next to the card number. If you spot a circle, that's your cue that the card is common. Generally, these cards aren't the big moneymakers unless they date back to the legendary years of 1999 or 2000. A diamond, on the other hand, indicates an uncommon card. While not usually super valuable, some older uncommons can still fetch a decent price. Now when you see a star, you hit the rarity jackpot. Star cards are rare, and if you come across one with a star H or 3 stars, you've got an extra rare gem. These are the ones with the potential to make your collection truly shine, so set them aside for special attention. Oh, but wait, there's more. Other symbols can appear, signaling that the card was part of a special product rather than a booster pack. Keep an eye out for terms like promo, deck kit, or box topper. Prices for these can range from a few cents to a whopping $100, depending on the product. It's like a hidden treasure hunt within your treasure hunt. Number 2. Now let's venture into the realm of early cards. Cards printed shortly after the game's release hold a special place in collectors' hearts and wallets. Even commons and uncommons from this era can be worth a tidy sum, starting at $5 each or more. To identify these elusive gems, simply look for the phrase Wizards of the Coast at the bottom of the card. If you see it, you're in luck. Your card is from 1999 or the early 2000s. But there's more to this quest. Keep an eye out for the coveted first edition stamp, lurking below and to the left of the card artwork. It's a 1 encircled in black, with lines radiating above. If you find this stamp alongside a rare card, you might just have a Pokémon card superstar on your hands, worth a cool $100 or more. Lastly, examine the art box closely. If there's no shadow beneath it, collectors affectionately call it shadowless. Cards with this feature are in high demand among collectors, and they could be your ticket to a profitable Pokémon adventure. Number 3. Unlock the collector number. Take a peek at the collector number tucked away in the bottom right corner of your card. It's not just a random digit, it's your key to identifying some extraordinary and potentially valuable cards. Here's the scoop. Secret rares are the real gems. They flaunt collector numbers higher than the total number of cards in the set. Think 65 64ths or 110 105ths. These little wonders can range from a few bucks to a small fortune. If your collector number starts with SH, congratulations! You've got yourself a shining Pokémon with unique art and reverse holographic goodness. No collector number. It might be an early printing or a Japanese card. Not all of these are jackpot finds, but it's definitely worth a closer look. Number 4. Seek out holographic magic. Holo cards are the stars of the show, sporting that eye-catching foil layer over the Pokémon artwork. But hold on, there's more. Reverse Holo cards shimmer from every angle around the artwork. While not all Holo cards hit the jackpot, a rare Holo or reverse Holo is like finding hidden treasure. Number 5. Decode the symbols and words. Unleash your inner detective and examine the area after the Pokemon's name. This is where it gets intriguing. Pokémon from the Heart Gold Soul Silver era display their level, like Pikachu LV12. Some have special symbols instead, and these little details can turn cards from a few dollars to a few $100s. Look for X, LVX, Legend, or Break. SP cards, short for Special Pokémon. Sport names followed by stylized symbols like GGL, 4, C, FP, or M. You can spot them by this SP logo at the bottom left corner of the artwork. These Pokémon are from the Pokémon Platinum Rising Rivals set. Legend Pokémon are a special breed, printed across 2 cards that must be joined to reveal their full art and mechanics. Number 6. Unearth more hidden treasures. The Pokémon universe is full of surprises. Keep an eye out for these distinctive cards. Full art cards are a visual feast, with artwork that covers the entire card, letting the text dance on top. Collectors fondly call them FA cards. World Championship cards have a distinct back and aren't legal for tournament play, but they can fetch you $10 or more as coveted collector's items. Part 2. Pricing or selling your collection. The burning question on everyone's minds. How on earth do we figure out the price? Well, fret not, my friends, because I've got the inside scoop on some fantastic websites that'll unveil the hidden treasures within your card collection. Number 1. Mavin. One of the most highly recommended tools is Mavin.io. All you need to do is enter the card name and number on Mavin.io, and it will instantly populate search results based on your input. Keep in mind that these results may vary, so it's important to select at least 3 cards that match the exact card you have in your hand or deck. Once you've selected 3 cards, Mavin.io will calculate the average value of your card, which we can refer to as the card's baseline worth. You might wonder why I'm calling it the baseline value. That's because it provides you with the average selling price of the card, giving you a solid starting point for your evaluation. Number 2. eBay. As you can see here, I got this Pokémon Neo Genesis First Edition card, and eBay is one of my favorite tools to estimate the worth of a Pokémon card. Now if we go to eBay, we look at the name of the card and we look at the set number. We type the name and set number in the search bar. In our case, Pokémon Neo Genesis First Edition 9111. Once you have done that, you will get a bunch of listings for that Pokémon card. A key thing to remember is that anyone can list their regular card for $100,000, but it is not always worth that. Therefore, it is important to scroll down and hit Sold Listings. Here, you see what people are actually paying for the card at the moment. Then you can take the average price and safely estimate the worth of your Pokémon card. Number 3. TCGPlayer. The next popular website I like to use is TCGPlayer.com. Similar to eBay, just look up the name of your card together with your set number. Then you will be able to see what your Pokémon card is worth. In the top right, you see the price, but when you click on View More, you can also see what other stores are selling the card for. Number 4. PSA. When you are interested in Pokémon cards, you may have noticed that some cards are graded, and these cards are selling for significantly more compared to their ungraded counterparts. But what is grading? Grading is sending your card to a company where you will get it graded based on its condition on a scale of 1 to 10. PSA is your go-to company when you have an expensive card in great condition and you want to get it graded. A good grading can significantly increase the value of your Pokémon card, so it's worth a shot. To get started, simply visit psacard.com, click on Services, and select Trading Card Grading. They offer various services, so check their price sheet to see if it's worth it for your card. The grading process has 3 steps: authentication, grading, and encapsulation. Your card gets a grade from 1 to 10, with 10 being the best. PSA seals it in a tamper-evident case with a certification number. Submitting your card is easy. Create an account, follow PSA's instructions, and send your card to them. That's it for today's video. Remember, your Pokémon cards could be worth thousands, so stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of Pokémon collecting. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content of your artificial professor.